Hi guys, you guys are welcome to our YouTube channel. I make this particular video on YouTube AI automation. I shared it on Instagram and it blew up. A lot of people slide into our DM and our community. They were asking how can they do it. We should create a longer tutorial, and that is the reason why I am actually making this particular video. So I want you guys to enjoy this particular video. So if it's your first time on my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe on the channel, like this video, and turn on the post notification. Click on that bell to turn on the post notification. That will allow YouTube always notify you whenever we share new videos on our channel. That being said, let's get into the video.
The first thing that we want to do is to create our Gmail account that we'll be using to create the YouTube channel for the YouTube AI automation. So if you already have a Gmail account like myself, I already have one, so I log into my Gmail account. I can easily click here and I can click on add another account. So once I click on add another account, it will bring me to this particular screen where I can easily create a new Gmail. Then you can click on create an account. So once you click on create account, you could create for personal use, for my child, or for work. Actually, I would choose create for personal use. So you can just create a new Gmail account, give it any name that you like, and do that. So before making this particular video, I've gone ahead and I create a new Gmail account. So once you do that, the next thing you want to do is navigate back to your YouTube. Go to YouTube. Just go to youtube.com. As you guys can see, I'm on youtube.com. So over here on the menu here, you should click here. You should be able to switch accounts. So you could see all the Gmail account that I'm on this particular Google Chrome, right? So you could switch. So I just switched back to the new Gmail account I just created. So the new Gmail account I just created is called mythbook124@gmail.com. So I'll switch this particular one. So right here now, I'm on YouTube with the new Gmail account. So this Gmail account will allow me to create my YouTube channel. So let me go ahead and create my YouTube channel. So I'll click on create channel here and it will guide me to create my YouTube channel. So it will ask me, what's the name of my YouTube channel? So I want the name of this YouTube channel to be called Myth and Stories, because the content that I want to be sharing on this particular channel will be basically on myth and stories. So let me just use capital letter M here. Myth and stories. All right. So everything I'll be sharing is going to be myth and stories. All right. So he's looking for the handle here. So he's showing myth stories. All right. This would be my basically like my username on YouTube for my YouTube channel. So I'll try and see if I could have something without all those keywords here. Myth stories. It will show me this has been taken. It will give me some suggestion here. So let's try to add like the myth stories. Okay, this makes sense. So we have the myth stories. So this really makes sense, right? So the myth and stories. So let us leave it as the myth stories right here. So I'll go ahead and create my YouTube channel. So I can add I can upload a profile picture here that would be my logo. So but for now, I don't really have all of those things, right? So now that I have my YouTube channel, the next I just need to do right now is to click on about channel, optimize this particular channel, customize it, add videos, and so many other things that I could do to my channel, like adding the background. But that's for another day. So for now, I want to just go ahead and create my first video. So I don't plan to show myself in this particular channel, and I hope that I'll be able to monetize this channel and start making probably $1,000, $2,000 in the next 3 to 6 months. So I'll be posting consistently for those period of time. So the next thing I want to do right now is to start to create those videos. So let's go and create those videos. So now the first thing I'm going to do is to go to ChatGPT. So I'm on a free account. You could see ChatGPT 3.3.5. ChatGPT 4 is actually a paid one. So you need to basically subscribe to access this particular one, upgrade to Plus. So I'm on the free one, 3.5 GPT Plus, which is really good. So I'll go ahead and I've gone ahead actually to search for some stuff. So I think I searched for write a YouTube story about ancient Egyptians. And it came up with this amazing title that I think I like, Legends of the Nile, unveiling the mystery of ancient Egypt. ChatGPT gave me these amazing stories. So you guys can actually do the same thing too. So once you have your stories on ChatGPT, now this is where we will now move on to 11 Labs. So I have an account on 11 Labs already. So I'll go to 11labs.io. So this is free. So you can easily just like without you, okay, let me show you this one now. Without you creating an account, let me use another browser. So without you creating an account, you can easily just try it out, right? So you can easily just try it out here, type in some stuff here, and select your voice. So I think I'm using this particular voice called Carlium. So I love how thick the voice is, and it's really, really good for narration. So you could do that, but you cannot generate more than 333 characters. So signing up gives you up to good amount of characters that you can actually change your ChatGPT scripts from text to actually voice, right? So you could easily just sign up. So I'll click on sign up. Then you could sign in with your Gmail, or you could just enter email and password and just do the whole sign up thing. So once you do the whole sign up thing, this is an account that I've created. You could see I created this account using the Myth and book, and I created the account. I even subscribed for the first month. I'm actually a believer of, if you are using any software that has subscription, you should subscribe, right? So I subscribed for the first month, and they gave me like 80% discount, and I paid $1. But the subsequent subscription is going to be $5 per month for this particular tool here, AI tool called 11labs.io. So as you guys can see, I've dropped in my text here that I copied from ChatGPT, and I'll click on generate. So I've done that already, and it has generated me the audio of this particular script. I'll just click on download to basically download it. So let me show you guys the audio. So this is it here. This is the audio here. So I'll click here. I think I saved everything here. So this is the audio here. Then this is my audio now. So that's the audio. The audio is actually playing. So yeah. So I have that there, and it's really, really playing well. So everything is cool. So let me close that. All right, let me stop it from playing. Then, so once I have my text generated to audio, I've downloaded it, so I have something like this. So the next thing that you want to do right now is to go to CapCut, right? So you could use your phone. I actually love using my phone. I think I'm used to editing with my phone, but you can go to CapCut, sign up, and or download the software, anyone that you like. So go to CapCut. I just basically signed up. So this is the online edit. You can edit it online. You can do that from the other way around. So I've brought in some of the audio. So if I just click here now, CapCut is going to add this particular audio file. You could see it's showing me some stuff. So you could see that the audio file has been added to CapCut already, and everything is actually working. So one thing you want to do is to ensure that you stretch this particular audio file, just in case it's not well stretched. You can stretch it to ensure that you have the entire timeline. All right. So once you have that, now the next thing is to bring in your images, right? So that is all of these images that I have here. So, but how did I get all of these images? Simple. I went to another tool called leonardo.ai. So this is the tool that will allow you to like get images. So you click here, you click on you sign up. If once you sign up from leonardo.ai, you should be able to access the platform here. And you click on create a new image, right? So this will allow you to enter your own prompt. So you could see that. So I noticed that this stuff has an amazing feature where you click on prompt generation, for example. Then once you click on prompt generation, you could just enter a simple stuff. For example, you see ancient Egypt, for example, ancient Egypt. It's like an AI is an AI, right? So you click on ideate, it will just give you some amazing like ideation here, different prompts that you could easily just like, you can copy all of these prompts right now, copy it and come over here and paste it. So once you paste it here, you click on generate. And this will be the amount of images that this thing is going to generate for you. So if you select 2 here, you can see I'm selecting 2. That is going to bring in 2 images. If you select 4, it's going to bring in 4 images. So I leave my at 2 and I'll click on generate. So I've done that. I've generated a lot of images, all of this. So once you have your image generated like this, you click on download here. So once you click on download here right now, it's going to just download it. It has downloaded it for me. Then you could save it. So I've generated a lot of images, as you guys can see. Then now once you have that image generated, these are the images that you're going to use on your CapCut to make your videos, right? So all you just to do now to make this video is to click on the image here. You can easily just come under images, and you could easily just upload new images right here under project, you see uploads, right? You could upload new images, which is cool. Then let's go back to our spaces. We also have images. So now you could just add all your images. So I will zoom this one here. I'll add another image. So all the image that you generate, just add it. Add it. You know that underneath the image right now is this particular file, right? Underneath this particular image now is this particular one. So once you add all of the images, right, you could also do something called text. Click on text. So under text, you could also auto-generate text too as well. You could also auto-generate text and so many things that you could do on CapCut. Now, another thing I normally dig in, just go on Pixabay. So I want to show you guys different tools. So pixabay.com. So this will allow you to get free soundtrack that you can put underneath it to make your video sound really nice. So the soundtrack that you're going to put underneath it. So Pixabay too, you could say free stock images, but click here, you would say music, click on music, search for documentary or anything to documentary. So once you search for documentary, you should be able to see like several one. I think I downloaded this particular one. So you could download this particular one. So this sound now, that's what you're going to lay under your video. So it's just give you this nice sound effect, right? So you edit it on CapCut as much as you can, lay your stuff under this, and you have everything going on, coming out really, really nice for you. So once you've done that, the next thing you want to do now is to go back to your CapCut, import that particular audio and put it down here. So I don't want to take you guys how to like basically edit on CapCut, how to use CapCut to edit videos. So that's like another video from another place. So if you guys want me to do that, you guys can just let me know. But there's another video from another way to teach you guys how to use CapCut. So upload that inside here and you click on export. So when you click on export, your video will be exported. So I have done all of that before making this video, and this is the video that I have. So as you guys can see, everything is sounding and coming out nice. So since I have that particular video, so the next thing I want to do right now, I will just go back to my channel. And in my channel right here, I'll click on upload, right? So I'll click create upload. So this should upload the videos for me, right? So I would select my file. I think it's inside here. I save it under a folder called Keyman. And that's this Legends of the Nile. So I'll upload my video here now. So Legends of the Nile, you could see that. So I'll give capital letter Legends of the Nile. So, and I remember the title Legend of the Nile unveiling. Let me just copy this title here. Right, unveiling the mysteries of the ancient Egyptians. I think the unveiling sounds more cool. Then I'll put this one here. So sounds more cool. So once I have that here now, I can go on and type in some description, right? So I'll say this is the first among the series of stories that will be told about ancient Egypt. All right, just little stuff like that. Then later I could edit. So the next thing again I want to do is ability to upload a thumbnail. So how do you get a thumbnail? So let me go back. So to get a thumbnail, I'll use Canva. So just go on canva.com, create your account, and you do that. So I will drop all of this inside this video when I export. When I add it to YouTube, I'll drop all of these things that I use. So Canva, you come over here, and you should be able to create a design. Click on create design like this. Search YouTube thumbnail. Let me search for it. So you see YouTube thumbnail, this one here, you click on it. So once you click on it, this will allow you to create your thumbnails. So thumbnail on YouTube are those designs that you see, those images that you see before you play the video. So you could select any one here. So I think I selected this one. So you just click on it. So once you click on it, you see a thumbnail that will just appear like this. So all you just need to do now is to edit this to fit or to suit your design or what you have in mind. So there are several other ones that you could also use. They are all good designs, good for YouTube thumbnail. Just edit it, change the images, change the text to fit your video. So I've done mine already, and you could see I created 2 sample thumbnails, either this one or this one. So, but I think I prefer this one, Unveiling the Mysteries of Ancient Egypt. Watch now. Okay, this looks nice. So it's on my page too. So I can go ahead and download this particular thumbnail. So I'll click on share and I'll be able to download it now. You see download here. I'll click on download. PNG as suggested, no problem. All pages, I don't want all pages. I just want only page 2. So I'll click on download right now. And Canva will process this particular thing for me and I'll be able to download this. So as you can see, so I have it here and it has opened up here for me. And I could see Unveiling the Mysteries of Ancient Egypt. So if I go back to my upload here, where I'm uploading that particular video, I could easily select the thumbnail. You see, to add custom thumbnail, first verify your phone number. Okay, cool. I will go ahead and verify this outside this particular channel and this video. Then I will be able to add my thumbnail. But basically, that is how you can add your thumbnail. So you can add your thumbnail. If you have a playlist, you can create a playlist and click on done. And basically, that's how you create a YouTube channel. That's also, you also create a faceless video and you add it to your design, right? So, and this is how you start a faceless YouTube automation, right? If you guys want a subsequent video, just let me know in the comment section. I will create a subsequent video showing you guys how you can monetize your channel when you hit a certain subscription milestone. Just let me know.
Alright guys, now that you're actually seeing the video, probably you want to start up your own channel and start doing your stuff. And that is really, really great, right? Now, I want you guys to know that this is also part of digital marketing, an area in digital marketing that is called content creation, right? So if you would love to learn digital marketing, content creation, learn how to use CapCut, learn how to use Canva to create amazing banners, CapCut to edit videos, learn how to go about social media marketing, how to make money on the internet using digital marketing and every other aspect of digital marketing, I would actually advise you to enroll for our digital marketing bootcamp. We have online bootcamp and also have physical bootcamp, right? And you can also join our community. Read the description of this particular video to join our community. To join our community is free. Our online and physical bootcamp for digital marketing is paid. So when you join our community, we'll share more information about our bootcamp and also how you can enroll. So I'll be seeing you guys in the community. Peace out.